Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you turn off account restricted in Roblox. So guys, at first just go to Roblox app. Now into the Roblox app, click the bottom last, the three dot icon. Now just scroll a bit and go to settings. Now click on the third option here, privacy. Now here you can see in the account restrictions, your account restrictions are enabled. Just click on it to disable it. So guys, that's how you can turn off account restriction in Roblox. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.